What if we told you your gut is not just killing off food but also producing some happy hormones, the same found in the brain? And that eating the right food could kill off your bad moods and grumpy thoughts? That's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. When we think of the gut, emotions are never the first things on our minds. In fact, we probably think of it as a more functional organ, responsible for absorbing nutrients from food and getting rid of waste. However, your gut is also home to more than 500 million neurons that form your gut brain. Yeah, a second brain, which scientists call as enteric nervous system. And just like your main brain, this gut brain can communicate with the rest of your body and even affect your mood, making the integral gut-brain axis. The gut-brain axis is a two-way street. Not only can the brain affect the digestive system, but whatever is going on in the gut also affects how you feel. Think of the times you were really nervous before an interview. Your stomach was probably in knots, right? Or the times you were thrilled, like seeing your BFF after a long time. These emotions are being affected by the gut-brain axis, which is possibly why your stomach flipped when you felt nervous. All this communication between the brain and gut is mediated by neurotransmitters, chemicals that allow nerve cells to communicate with each other. And here's where the gut really starts to shine. It produces more than 30 different neurotransmitters, including serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, all feel-good compounds. Of course, it all depends on what you're eating behind the scenes. So, munching on your favorite dark chocolate could really boost your mood, but maybe stay away from that gallon of ice cream before that big presentation. Now, which food gives that serotonin kick? Let's look at the 5 healthy foods that boost your mood. Fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that your body can't produce on its own. So, they have to come from the diet. The belly fat of fish like tuna, salmon, and sardines is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. 2 omega-3s, docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, and icosapentaenoic acid, EPA, are almost exclusively found in fish oils. According to a study, DHA, EPA, and ALA, another omega-3, improve brain function by facilitating communication between cells. Multiple studies also prove that omega-3s could improve depressive symptoms in bipolar disorder and major depression. Nuts. As you might know, nuts are brain boosters. Their treasure trove of minerals, antioxidants, and protein makes them a perfect snack for people with anxiety and depression. For example, a quarter cup of walnuts fills your daily dose of DHA. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, cashews have lots of magnesium, hazelnuts are packed with thiamine, and peanuts are a source of polyphenols. All these nutrients play the role of Mr. Bean when it comes to putting a smile on your face, silent but efficient. Dark chocolate. Ever thought about why you crave chocolate when you are down? Well, science says it's because your body is trying to make you happy. A study from the British Journal of Clinical Pharmacology proved that nutrients from chocolate build and repair neural connections. It also provides resilience against stress and anxiety. Dark chocolate does its brain-boosting thing with the help of epicatechins, the antioxidant flavonoids that improve brain energy. It also contains phenylethylamine, also dubbed love drug because it produces that euphoric feeling when you fall in love. Dark chocolate also has caffeine and theobromine, which work together to improve mood, focus, and cognitive performance. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut. Fermented foods are loaded with probiotics, good bacteria that line your gut and support digestion. Healthy probiotics produce mood-boosting hormones, including serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, and dopamine, associated with happiness and pleasure. GABA, another neurotransmitter that reduces anxiety and stress, is also produced by lactobacillus found in fermented food. UCLA ran an interesting experiment to link fermented foods and anxiety. They asked young women to eat yogurt twice a day. A few weeks later, MRI scans showed those who consumed yogurt were significantly calmer and more relaxed than those who hadn't. Leafy greens. Coming to our last and most important food. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with folate, a relaxation mineral. Green leafy vegetables are also an excellent source of antioxidants and carotenoids. But their most prominent mood booster content is an amino acid, tryptophan. Our body needs tryptophan to synthesize serotonin, the strongest happy hormone. So now you know why your mom made you eat your veggies. Next time you feel your mood is down, eat these foods and get going with your day like a pro. And on that note, we wrap up today's video. Let us know in the comments below which foods boost your mood the most. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this. See you in the next one.